IT stakeholders are the people or groups that have an interest or concern in the development, use, and impact of information technology. They include everyone from software developers and hardware manufacturers to end users and policymakers. Non-human species such as animals and plants, and even entire ecosystems, can also be seen as stakeholders in IT systems, since they are affected by those systems. Various stakeholders often have different priorities and expectations, which can lead to conflicting interests. Understanding their roles and influences helps in designing and implementing IT systems that support sustainability. Consider the example of social media platforms. Users want these platforms to be easy to use and secure, while advertisers demand effective ways to reach potential customers. Meanwhile, regulators and civic groups may push for strong privacy protections and ethical data use. This mix of stakeholder interests can lead to a wide range of outcomes, from innovative services to serious privacy concerns. A notable instance was when several groups voiced concerns about how some platforms used algorithms that spread incorrect information, driving developers to rethink their approaches. Understanding IT stakeholders connects directly to topics including ethical technology use, the digital divide, and energy consumption. Developers and companies must consider the ecological impacts of their technologies, requiring life cycle assessments and attention to energy efficiency. Differentiated access to technology can exacerbate social harm, while mindful design and policy can help bridge the digital divide, thus improving fairness and access to information. Ethical considerations in data and resource management are also crucial in designing technologies that align with the long-term best interests of life on Earth. The financial sector provides a compelling illustration of IT stakeholders at work, especially for those interested in business. Banks and other financial institutions rely on information technology to manage data, execute transactions, and offer digital services. Stakeholders here include not only the banks and their clients, but also regulators concerned with market stability and consumer protection. Recently, many in finance have begun investing in blockchain technologies. Some see it as a way to revolutionize their operations with faster, more transparent transactions. Meanwhile, others express concerns about these technologies' high energy use, highlighting a potential conflict between innovation and environmental sustainability. Exploring IT stakeholders through the lens of business ties into concepts including corporate social responsibility, sustainable investments, and green computing. Companies that are responsive to a range of stakeholders tend to be better at minimizing their environmental footprint through adopting practices like energy-efficient data centers. Sustainable investments focus on funding technologies that support ecological balance. Businesses across industries are also adopting green computing practices, redesigning devices and systems to reduce resource use, ultimately showcasing how aligning business goals with planetary well-being may be able to lead to lasting profitability and resilience.